It's pouring outside, so I thought this is a great opportunity to sketch something, and why not record it at the same time. The lightning just hit outside my window. It's pretty nasty out there right now. First of all, just gonna put on some music. Let's see. Cool. Yep. Let's get started. So I'm using a regular printing paper and a BiC pen. I'm just gonna start making some lines. Fun like this. Maybe we can make a handle down here. One thing that might help you in your sketching is to always keep rotating the paper and make it easy for yourself. Don't complicate things. Like, for example, if I want to sketch, let's say, this line here, I can't really sketch it like this. That would mess up the whole line. So I'm just going to rotate it and sketch it more naturally like this. It's like a hairdryer or something like that. Whoa, thunder. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty crazy. Also, I'm starting to think about the line weight already. So at the base, all the lines that are facing down, you kind of want to make those a bit thicker than the rest of the lines. Let's see what we can do. Cool, so let's add some features into this big shape here. Let's see, if this is a hairdryer, I think it needs to have some exhaust or something where the hot air blows out, or maybe it's the cold air. Yeah, the hot air blows forward, cold air back, I think. That's how a hairdryer works. Let's just add like an exhaust here. Got some line shading in there. I kind of think this looks a bit boring, so I want to add some lines to it. See this corner here? I'm going to try and add a line that goes all the way down here. Something like that, I think it looks cool. And since it's facing downwards, might as well add some line shades in there. And the baseline, I'm gonna make that thicker as well. get some depth in this sketch. And you get depth with pen by using line weights. What else? I don't know if that's gonna work. Anyway, the line is there now, so we might as well try and make it work. Let's see. Might have messed it up. It's fine. We'll figure something out. Adjust as you go, right? That's what I always like to keep in mind, that no matter what kind of mistakes you're making in the sketch, you can either adjust as you go or basically just start over. But this is such a tiny little line there, I'm not gonna bother starting over. Just gonna keep it there and adjust as I go. Let's make some more ergonomic grip. It can be like an overmold or some rubber texture, or just a different kind of plastic here to make it a bit grippier. And I'm gonna go in and line shade this. A bit dirty. That's fine. Can add some shading to this. Maybe we want this to be metal or something, so a higher contrast than the rest of the material. Sweet. This line though, the thing is, I wanted to start where there is an edge in the profile, and you have that right here. Now the problem is I don't know where to end this line, so I think I'm just gonna have it fade in the body like it is now, because there is no spot here where it can actually go and end. It wouldn't make sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that and work a bit on the line shading of this part that's facing downwards. Let's make this button black, so just fill it in completely with a pen. Alright, so that's the first sketch of the day, and I just kind of want to show you how I start out sketching something. it can be anything. The point is to just get started and get some lines down. So if you want to continue to sketch, you feel that you're more comfortable because you've had your first cup of coffee and you had your first sketch down. So yeah, this line, let's pretend it's not there. The rest looks okay. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any warm-up advice or techniques that you like to do, I would love to hear about it. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you next time.